welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Rockstar game launcher not opening on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Rockstar game is not opening or not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to just click on this start menu and click on settings. Here you will find privacy and security. Click on that. Then click on Windows security. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down. Here you will find virus and threat protection manage settings. Click on that. You have to scroll down again. Here you will find exclusions. Below you will find add or remove exclusions. Click on that. Then click on add an exclusion. Then click on folder. You have to go to the C drive. Open the C drive. Then go to program file x86. Here you need to find your Rockstar folder. Select that folder, then click on select folder. After that you will find your Rockstar folder will be added here. After that, close this window, then try to run your Rockstar game. Hope your issue will be resolved. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. What you have to do, you have to open this file explorer, go to C drive, go to program file x86. Here you have to find your Rockstar folder. Suppose if this is your Rockstar folder, what you have to do, you have to just rename it. In the beginning you have to just add underscore. After that, just click on, here you will find continue option, because this is a Microsoft, it is a default folder, so it will be not renamed. When you are renaming Rockstar folder, it will ask for continue. Just click on continue, close this window, and try to run your Rockstar game. After doing this, maximum issue will be resolved. After trying both these options, still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just click on this start menu, then click on settings, click on the apps, click on install apps. Here you need to find OneDrive. You can see Microsoft OneDrive. What you have to do, you have to just uninstall this OneDrive and try to run your Rockstar game. After doing this, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Rockstar application or Rockstar game not opening or not working on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.